Good morning, everybody. I've been wanting to do like a vlog, kind of follow me around just the whole day of activities on the channel since the channel is new and my goats are screaming. I don't know if you can hear them, but it's 8:45 right now on a Friday. My work week like kind of starts on Friday because I have class during the middle part of the week. So there's a lot to get done today. And I have a really close friend from back home. We actually like went to the same high school and rode horses when we were like teenagers together, so she'll be here, so it's like a good opportunity to have an extra hand to get maybe some more content, but also to get more stuff done. So yeah, it's 8:45. It's a late start this morning just because it's the first like day of the week that I don't have to get up extra early to feed and stuff before class, and I have extra horses to feed this morning. I picked up a shift at the boarding farm so I can feed those horses too, as well as the ones that are mine and in training. So I will bring you along during the day and we'll see how this first vlog goes. So I thought I'd show you who was screaming. They really want milk right now, but they're in the process. I know, you're okay. They're in the process of getting weaned. So I want to give them a bottle later, like in the middle of the day versus in the morning. I know you get one bottle a day and you're gonna get it in a little bit. I'm sorry, Mints. But yeah, they're adorable. Whoa. Good morning, cuties. Hi. What are you doing? Running around. We're running around this morning. So here's Mocha. So Mocha and then these two thoroughbreds are gonna get fed first. Say hi, Mocha. Hi. My phone was doing that thing that it's like out of storage, but I just deleted some stuff. So my farm owner is really nice and, you know, pre-portions everything for over here, so it goes by really smoothly. First thing I do is feed the kitty. Are you hungry? Yeah, look at how cute you are. Come here. He's ready. There you go, Papa. I want to show you guys this really innovative redneck ingenuity that I use if she lets me do it with one hand. Okay, so these are my bucket heads, and they're really great if you can't separate horses for feeding and one of the other ones is pushing her off. So if you see there's holes, so once she's done eating, she actually learned to drink with this. It's completely breakaway. There's a breakaway strap and also a breakaway hay string tying it on, but it's just a really good way to make sure that nobody steals food or gets pushed off of food, gets their whole ration, their supplements, and the amount of grain that, drops out of those little tiny holes compared to just, a horse just eating and dropping grain as it is. It's just a really good option. I learned this at a big boarding barn that I was at that did like big group feeding. Okay, and I hear Marge ringing the morning breakfast bell, so we have to go feed her now. Okay, the cows and the goats are eating. Macy can't quite figure it out. Poor girl. She's gonna have to kick off a goat, I think. Are they gonna share with you? There you go. This is Marge. This is the breakfast bell. And she's got a little baby. Where are you, Dumpling? Hi, Dumpling. Did you eat some brain? And we've got some goaties. Goats and cows are fed. So I finished feeding the rest of the farm horses, and my good friend Savannah got here. Hello. And now we are at the Mustang pen. We're gonna clean Rex's pen and then probably do a short session with the saddle, get some other horses done, then come back to Rex and do maybe like a long walk around the property with Val as well. Anything else?
I don't think so. We're the boss.
We're just vibing. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, right. Boy, so we've seen all this stuff before. Do you remember? Oh, there's two bags. Oh,
Extra crinkles.
Good. Oh. Wait till he stops moving. Good boy. Retreat. Good boy. Can I get you some pets for that? Good boy.
Huh?
Good boy.
No, yeah, I think that's what you gotta do then. It's so. Oh.
Oh, good. Thank you. I got both hands on it. It's not gonna eat you. I gotcha. I gotcha. Good boy. Is that nice? Girl. So we just ate lunch and had a nice little mini session with Rex. Rex and his mustache. Worked more with getting the saddle on from the left side, his good side, ended on a good note. We'll do it from the right side later. And now we are waiting on Savannah and Val, and we're gonna go for a long walk around the property. We just need a little more support from Val because we do tend to get stuck a little bit. So I'm hoping that he just wants to lead really good with his buddy. Yeah. Why you look so happy, Rex? You love being out of your pen? You hate the flies, I know. Come on, we're falling behind. Hi, goaties. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, you guys are so freaking cute. Oh, oh. Hi. Val, Rex, Vince, and Herschel. Cuties. Cute. What do you think, mustache boy? Since I know goats already, I have goat friends. These are just new goats. Girl. Aw. Very nice. Keep walking. Good girl. Smile. Savannah's lounging. Yeah, I'm working. Got new hay, guys. New hay. Rito. Hi. You're not allowed on the center console. Thank you. We got a stick. Rito. Show me your stick. That's a good one. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock. The only thing I have left to do is bottle feed the goats. I already fed the horses that I am responsible for feeding, and I have to feed Vito too. But Savannah just headed out. I was so happy she could help me today, and we just got to catch up, and it was really a fun day with her. And yeah, I definitely missed her. She's in town for her first weekend training for the Masterson method equine massage therapy, which I'm so excited for her to start doing. I can't wait for her to be here and doing all my horses all the time, or whenever she can make it in town. But yeah, we had a really good, successful day. I'm just gonna shower after I finish up feeding the dog and the goats. And is that dirt? Yeah. And what do I have to do? Then I'm just gonna do some, like, I have to respond to some clients and get that sale video together for Honey that we took today, and I'm gonna post her ads more, and then take her to obstacle practice tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. But I don't want to talk forever. I'm gonna log off. So please, if you enjoyed this vlog, comment, let me know. I don't know if I'm gonna do more videos like this or just more training videos, or like what I'm gonna do, but it was definitely fun to kind of film throughout the day, and we'll see how I feel editing this video. And if you liked it, definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you can, so I can keep making videos like this. Appreciate it. Bye.